baking show.
It's the baking show. Welcome everyone to the Opal and Mommy baking show. Say, I'm Opal.
Opal.
Say it real loud. Say, I'm Opal.
Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Nope, I'm Mommy. You're not Mommy. And today we are going to bake gluten-free cinnamon rolls, I think. Have not 100% decided, but we'll let you know. Can you say? Alright, we're doing the flour. We did decide we're making gluten-free cinnamon rolls. Go ahead and pour that in. Good job. So pour in the flour.
Flour.
Good job. Very good. Alright, next we have baking powder. Go ahead. Very good. Next we have sea salt. Very good. And after that we have cinnamon. Say cinnamon. Yay! I'm thinking this is a recipe we'll have to perfect eventually because I'm not sure this one will work out. But we're going to try. What do we do with all these ingredients? You know we got to stir them, right? Can you say stir?
Yeah.
Stir, stir, stir. Good job. She's doing some major stirring here. Wow. So thorough. So as I'm cutting up the butter, Opal decided that, again, from the coffee sugar, it could use a little bit of sugar. And I am not going to argue with her because the recipe only calls for maple syrup as the sugar, which I feel like probably won't cut it. But she's putting in quite a bit. So, maybe I should have her stop. Okay, that's enough sugar, Opal. Good job. She's even putting the lid back on. Good job, Opal. You are very thorough. Good job. She is about to experience the pastry cutter for the first time. So that's going to be really fun. Oh, can't pause it. Well, aren't you sweet? She's providing us with some music now. Can you play it? Good job. It really helps to bake when you have some music going on. It's a very important part of baking. And we didn't have any background music, so Opal decided she'd provide it for us. Keep playing it. Good job. That's a beautiful song. Almost unbelievable how good you are at music, huh? Are you done playing? Okay. Alright, so the butter and the cream cheese are in here. So now we're gonna cut it in with the pastry cutter. You wanna try it? Okay. Yep, good job. Oh, okay. We're gonna cut it in. Very good. Yeah. Good job. I think we're going to use part of our $1,400 a piece of stimulus check on a new pastry cutter because these sides keep falling off and scaring the poop out of us, huh, Opal? Yeah, it's a little scary when it hits the side of the bowl. Good thing it doesn't hit us, right? Right? Say right. Alright, we got the ingredients all crumbly, so now we're gonna put in the wet ingredients. Yep. Yep, milk and syrup. That's what's next. So we need 3/4 of a cup of milk. We're gonna use oat milk. Yep. It's gonna be a lot of oat milk, I think. Yeah. Good amount of oat milk. I'll pour it in. Wow. Very incredible. And then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. We got this morning in our grocery delivery. Because we didn't have any actual, smell it? Actual maple syrup. And it does make a difference because real maple syrup is maple syrup and fake maple syrup is made of just plain corn syrup and high fructose corn syrup. Good job, Opal. Now we're gonna mix it together. Don't put it too far in. Go right there. Go a little further out. You don't have to stick the whole thing in your mouth. Here. There you go. Right there. Yep. So it turns out I had no idea where this rolling pin was. I just looked in several closets. But I found it eventually. Want to come up there and help me? While I was gone, she put her hand in the dough. So now she's got them doughy hands. I haven't rolled out something like this in a very long time, and I added egg because, you know, I'm cheeky. And I didn't trust her. So this is going to be a real adventure, I think. Oh. I'm trying to do it on pastry paper so that we don't end up with a huge mess. But that might be a bad idea. So we'll let you know. Alright, my friends, this is a real adventure. We're using the rolling pin. Opal really wants to help, but this is a pretty gentle process here. We roll it back and forth, huh, Opal? Oh, you went right in the dough, my friends. Right in the dough. My friends, I'm starting to really regret the decisions that I've made, including what recipe we're going to make. This is very intense and in-depth, and I am not to the level of this recipe. So we're going to see. Opal's currently dumping out Robbie's lunchbox. And she grabbed the kitchen, or the bathroom scale and brought it in here because, you know, that's important. And I'm over here a slave to the cinnamon rolls that might not even turn out. The life of a baker, am I right? I could not do it. Opal just came up and saw the roll with the cinnamon on it. And she said pizza, because it looks like I'm spreading out a pizza. My friends, I have learned some valuable lessons today. One of those lessons is try to roll the dough while it's still cold. My second lesson is don't change recipes. My third tidbit is put a lot of flour on the bottom of the whatever you're working on in order to be able to actually get the dough to unstick from it. So the cinnamon blobs, they're not rolls, the cinnamon blobs are in the oven currently. I'm hoping that they still taste good even though they don't look good. But who knows? Guess we'll find out. Alright, so first batch, these are the somewhat successful ones. Second batch, I learned a fun rolly trick with my parchment paper, so they're a little bit better, but not so much.